Today, I will explain how to buy shares of BE Semiconductor Industries NV, a company that supplies advanced semiconductor assembly equipment and trades on Euronext under the ticker BESI.NV. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BESI.NV to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing for BE Semiconductor Industries NV to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it matches BE Semiconductor Industries NV. Check that the exchange is Euronext and the ticker displays as BESI.NV before proceeding. Click Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.